Hi, this is Regitze from Greatest Marketing Agency. I'm going to show you some different Facebook ad targeting that you can use. If you like content like this around Facebook and Instagram advertising, please give me a like and subscribe. But let's jump into it. Some different Facebook ads targeting that you can use is, for instance, lookalikes. And that's one of the best ones. So you go into your audiences. I'm here in an example campaign, and I'm at the ad set level, and you go down to audiences and you click create new. To make a lookalike, you have to first make a custom audience. I have another video around that. Otherwise, comment below and I'll help you out. So you make a custom audience. It can be website visitors or Instagram followers or Facebook page followers here. The in-app followers here, they are easier to track because people who have iOS devices, they can opt out of being tracked. It's a few years ago that this was done. So, but they can only opt out when they're leaving Facebook app. When they're on Facebook app, like Instagram is also belongs to Facebook, and of course the Facebook page, then they're still being tracked. So there's better tracking using those options here. And also it's way cheaper. Facebook wants us to use to use their apps, and they want to keep people on their apps, so they incentivize advertisers to use those options more by giving them cheaper ads. When we take people away from their apps, from Facebook, from Instagram, then it gets more expensive. Like for instance, when we're taking people to a website. You can also target video views and so on. So you make a custom audience or a customer list. This is great. You upload a customer list and you can retarget those, or you can make a lookalike audience of your customer list, which is very powerful because then your Facebook is finding people who are similar to your customers. So that is just great. But another option that you can target is simply broad targeting. So you don't you set very minimal requirements for your targeting. That can be maybe location. Of course, it has to be a location where you can deliver your service. But otherwise, it's usually broad. So all ages, all genders, no interest groups. And then you just let Facebook find the right people for you. And Facebook is pretty good at that. It usually helps better if you have already some purchases or some leads, some data on your account, because then Facebook knows what kind of people to look for. Or if you have if you're selling a product with very broad appeal, like jewelry or apparel or something for the home, then you can do that even with a new ad account, or you can test it out at least. If it's a very niche product and you have a new account, then it's better to start with some detailed targeting with some interest groups, and also maybe age and gender if that's applicable. But if you want to target an interest group that where it's difficult to find them because maybe it's something that Facebook doesn't want to us to target, that can be something that is related to religion or age or gender or stuff like that. They don't want us to target people based on that. But what you can do is, if you, for instance, want to target something, if you're selling some product that has to do with Christians, people who are Christians, then you can find out what other groups or what podcasts or what magazines are your people that you want to target, what are they following, and then you can target those things, those podcasts, those magazines, and those Facebook groups and so on, or TV shows. Then you can target those because you know that's where your target audience is also watching and hanging out. So yeah, I can show you here that you can't find anything, for instance, with Christians. There will also only be people with the name Christian. There won't be anything with the religion. There's some schools that has Christian in their name, but that is it. But yeah, you can find people, you can find out where your target audience is hanging out, and then target those options. I hope it helps. If you have any questions, comment below. If you want us to do all this for you, then we specialize in Facebook and Instagram advertising for coaches and consultants. You can book a call with me and my team. There's a link in the description. Also, please join our free Facebook groups called Facebook Advertising for Coaches and Consultants, Entrepreneurs. Link in the description. And don't forget to like, follow, and subscribe, share it with your friends, and click that little notification bell if you're on YouTube. That way you get notified every time we upload a new video. Take care. Bye.